G'day folks, welcome back. Long time no see. I had the flu and I was feeling really miserable, so 3 weeks later I'm back. So we're going to yeet paint. I've prepared a pot of various colours and I've loaded up a whole lot of it because we've got a 36 by 48 inch canvas to play with today. So I thought, why not make a mess? A really big mess. So I thought, here we go. I will now do something really stupid and just put some tension on this thing slowly. Hope you've all been well. Don't get the flu. It was horrible. But 3 weeks later, I'm feeling a lot better. So just put a little bit more tension on it. Oh, you know what? We're just going to go for it and make a mess. So here we go. Outstanding. Just get some splatters going on here. Brilliant. That'll do. Oh, that one's silly. I love it. All right. Let's have a look at this insanity. What have I done? I'm covered in paint. Hold on a sec, folks. Wow, that's colourful. I'll give it that. All right, let's get you awesome folks down. Let's have a look here. All right, so for my friend Landon, we'll do the floor art first. So today's floor art piece is looking pretty cool. So we've used metallic paints too today, so things should get interesting, but I'm already seeing some really cool color mixing. There it is in all its weirdness. I really like this one. It's chaotic. And there's some really interesting stuff going on with the colours. So yeah, bit of fun with a bunch of different colours. I think it turned out pretty cool. I like it. So I apologise for the lack of painting stuff, but feeling a bit better, so we did some paint. And my goodness, did we do some paint. There's a lot of paint there, isn't there? All right, folks, just want to say thank you very much for stopping by and checking out the weirdness. And yeah, I'll see you all next time.